Jano, it rough and it tough down a yard, yeah. Well, people. Jano, you don't know this is about Newlink from Newlink Production. Alright about now, people. Zine, I did see this news from Sunday gone. Zine, Sunday gone, you know. And I decided to say, you know what? I'm not going to talk about this thing because I want to hear another side to this thing before Newlink really do talk about it. Because I don't like we just come and talk something say, yo, you know, so a man get slap out this one because of certain things and they don't like that. No, I love to give the people them the full details to when I get on anything. Zine, when me attack me, attack good enough. Well, people, here we go on now. Zine, news that was where they reached Newlink on Sundays, right? It's about an incident that happened, that took place in a St. Elizabeth, you know, in our community. Zine, involving a 67-year-old man. You understand? And them said this man was found chopped to death in his house. You know what I mean, people? Because what they must say happening is now, this man, he lives in Kingston and he's a taxi operator. But him live in Kingston at St. Andrew. So him come to him house now, Zine. But them say the real reason why him come to him house now, people, in a St. Elizabeth now, is to get out a cousin him have out of him house. I don't know what are the problem with him and his cousin or what good on her, if he want to rent the house or something and the cousin decide to move. So it is said that now, Sunday now in the morning, residents hear somebody a ball out, help! Murder! Help! Why? So people rush go over there now, people. When them rush go over there now, them see the cousin of this man run from the house, gone. Zine, when them go into the house now, people, they found the man, the 67-year-old man, lying on the floor in one of the bedroom, people, with several chop wounds over his body. Them call the police, and the police them come on the scene, and them boom do them thing, and them carry him body to the morgue and everything. You know what I mean, people? And from that day up until now, this cousin cannot be found. He's out there somewhere on the run. You know what I mean? And just to tell the people, you know, imagine, you know, this man have him house. His house is in St. Elizabeth. He lives in Kingston because I don't live there. But I don't know, as I tell you, him go down there. If he get out him cousin out of the house, if he came out of the house, but I don't know what the full details behind this thing, if a family house or a personal house or what good and what happened, but in the end he go and see them. His life has gone. And just to tell you now, people, oh man, stupid, you know, because the youth, what chap this man, you know, you're really stupid and fool, you know, now you're on the run, see? The man go for evict you out of the house, get you out of the house. When I'm looking to those whole thing, people, see, the man go for get him out of the house. He managed to hurt the man, kill the man now. Now he's on the run, so him still can't be in the house. So in a better end, he just come out of the house and go somewhere and be free. But in the end now, him can't go in the house go live. So him rather kill the man now, and anytime they catch him, I go to prison. Don't you show you how people fool and not think? The man brain too jump if you do things, yo. What is on self-control, eh? What on a brain box if you think before you do things? In the end now, I don't know where you're gone if you take a boat and gone over somewhere over there, say, you know. I don't know, you know, Zine. But in the end now, you have to be on the run. You can't make the police here, you know. Because anytime them catch you and the residents them in the community is so angry now against this boy and now people. Because right now when them running and show them not catch him, you know. Because I tell us they not deal with them away in a St. Elizabeth, you know, they not play up there when they come on to certain things, you know. And they manage to this boy do this. Yo, just a straight attack you are getting a boy. No joke with the attack. Newlink, attack. Eh? You kill the man go to take you, come out of the house. Or, but then go to the police then and make a report. If you know, see enough, you come out of the house, make a report. By right, I know so when they are premises where they play rent or something, you must get notice or something. Go to the police and make the man serve your notice. I don't know if you serve a notice before you still now live, but I don't know what good one. But they give you no right to kill the man. Make the man be man, 67-year-old. Channel people, I tell you, viewers and subscribers, in this world that we have to live. We pray for Jamaica. Pray for better. For everybody. You don't know the thing about people. This is Newlink from Newlink Production. Genre. I can't take it. Have a blessed day. God no. Wow.